Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 3492 maximum containers on a ship. The problem statement is we are given a positive integer n representing an n by n cargo deck on a ship. Each cell on the deck can hold one container with the weight exactly equal to W. We are given the maximum weight of the goods that needs to be transported using the cargo. We need to return the maximum number of containers that can be loaded on the ship based on the maximum weight. In example number 1, the size of the cargo deck is 2, while it can hold 3 units each. And the maximum weight of the goods is 15 units. With these inputs, we need to use all 4 containers to try to fit all of the goods in it. With n is equal to 2, there are a total of 4 cargo decks on the ship, while each container on the ship can hold up to 3 units of goods. So the total the entire cargo can hold is 12. Although we can't fit all 15 into the given units, we can at least fit 12 of them by filling all the 4 containers with the maximum size, that is 3. In example number 2, n is given as 3, so there are a total of 9 cells. Each cell's capacity is to hold up to 5 units of weight, so the total capacity will be 45, that is 9 into 5. As the maximum weight given to us is 20, we can easily fit it into the cargo just using 4 containers. As each container can hold up to 5 weight, we can just divide 20 by 5 to get the total number of containers we need. Let's switch to whiteboard and discuss the couple of scenarios and then go over the solution. Based on the example that we went through, there are a total of 2 cases. The max weight is greater than the capacity of the ship. In this scenario, we can't fit the entire maximum weight of the goods into the containers. So we'll use or try to put as much as possible, which means we'll use up all of the cells available. So our output will be n by n or n square. And the other case is maximum weight is less than or equal to the capacity, which means that we can easily fit the entire weight of the shipment onto the ship. In this scenario, it is possible that we don't need to use all of the cells on the ship. The way to figure out how many containers we want is to divide maximum weight by W, which will give us the output. So if we take the maximum weight as 20 based on the example that we just discussed, and the size of each cell is 5, then the total number of containers we need to use are 4. With this solution, our time complexity is O of 1 and the space complexity is also O of 1, as we are not maintaining any collection with the calculated values. We are simply comparing the values after doing the multiplication and accordingly returning the results. I hope you were able to understand this explanation. Let me show you how we can implement this using C#. Here is my C# solution. The first check I do in my main method is to verify if the capacity of the ship is greater than the maximum weight. If yes, then I am dividing the maximum weight by the size of the cell and returning the value. If the first condition is not sufficed, it means the maximum weight is greater than the capacity of the ship. In that case, I am returning the total number of cells, which is n by n. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 100% of the submissions in terms of runtime and 69% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand the explanation. The link to the code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.